Hi there, Peter Vox here, Director and Principal Teacher of Vox Singing Academy. Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. And before we get stuck into that, if we could be of any assistance to you or anyone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Please check out the links below for more info. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all of our videos. Without any further ado, please, let's get stuck into the next question. The next question is a very popular question, especially with all the COVID-19 situation and the lockdown situation all around the world. The question is, what are the benefits of private online singing lessons compared to in-studio singing lessons? Okay, so I'm going to list a couple of the major benefits of having online singing lessons compared to in-studio singing lessons. The major key benefit is that you can record your entire class, whether that be on Skype or Zoom. We offer Skype or Zoom lessons depending on what is better quality at the time. You can record your whole entire lesson, so you can refer back to this for future reference, and you can see what the teacher is doing, what their mouth place is doing, breathing, their instructions. So you will always have a record of all of your classes if you decide to record and keep all of your classes. They save time and money, so you can have your lessons wherever you want at any time because you don't have to travel to and from lessons. They're very safe, so there is no issues of you catching anything traveling to and from lessons, and also in the lesson from the teacher or past students that have been in the studio. So for health reasons, they're very, very safe because you can do them wherever you wish to do your classes. One of the key advantages, because you are very close to the camera and you'll be standing and looking directly into the camera, one of the huge advantages is that the teacher can clearly monitor and see what you're doing, can see what your mouth is doing with your articulation, pronunciation and diction, can monitor if your neck is tightening, can monitor your posture if you're moving forward or you're not standing straight or your hands are not to your side. They can monitor what your breathing is doing a lot more closely because you're a lot closer to the camera than what would normally be in studio singing lessons. We still do monitor the posture and we can clearly see what's happening in studio singing lessons, but you're a lot closer when you're doing your online Skype or Zoom lessons. The teacher, you can also clearly see the other way around. You can also clearly see the teacher's demonstrations because they're going to be very close to the camera. They'll generally only be sort of a foot away from the camera. So you'll be able to clearly see the teacher's directions and what you'll have to do if the teacher is giving you an example. Online singing lessons are also perfect for anyone that is touring, or if you're traveling, or if you're stuck in a recording studio, or if you're in isolation and you can't travel, or you live far away or in a rural area and you can't make it to one of our 6 beautiful Melbourne studios. So you can have them anywhere, anytime. So they're really, really convenient if you've got other commitments. Another big point is for our overseas students is that you can use PayPal and pay via PayPal, which has the currency conversion into Australian dollars for all of our overseas students. We also do run online singing lessons 7 days a week. I do have teachers working 7 days a week. So particularly for those students that are in America or in Europe that are a day behind and you want to have lessons on the Saturday, which is equivalent to our Sunday if you're in America, we do offer lessons every day of the week here online. They're the major benefits. Hope that answers your question. If you have any other questions, please put them in the comments below. And if we could help you out with your singing in any way, shape or form, or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Please check out the links below. That's it for today's video. Hope that answers your question regarding the benefits of private online singing lessons compared to in-studio singing lessons. Please be good to each other. Enjoy your singing. Stay healthy and safe. Till the next episode, peace and love.